But Peppa, what are you doing? Why are you kicking the colored balls around?
I have watched Kung Fu Panda, and now I also want to try. Do you want to watch me?
Okay, sounds like fun.
So, these are the different colors.
Red, green, yellow, pink, purple, blue.
Let's start with the blue one. Hee-yah! Look, Dad, it's purple inside the blue one.
Purple and blue.
Now, let's see what's inside the purple one. Hee-yah!
What? You found yellow inside the purple ball? Yellow and purple.
Let's go to the yellow one.
There is the yellow one.
Wah-yah! What color is it, Dad?
It's red. Red and yellow. Now let's go to the red one and see what's inside.
Hee-yah! Oh, look, Dad, it's green inside.
Let me have a look. You're right. Green and red.
Next one is green. Hee-yah! Wow, it's pink! That's my favorite color.
Pink and green. Then we have to see what's inside the pink one as well.
Hey, Dad, maybe you should try one.
Well, I don't know. I'm a bit old, you know. I can give it a try. But first, I need to put on my headband. Now, I'm ready to open up this little pink one. But how do I do it?
You run as fast as you can, and then you open it up with your hand or your foot. But it's very important to say hee-yah!
Hi-ya!
I did it. Peppa, where are you, Peppa? I think I did it. Peppa?
Oh, Dad, you did it, but where is the pink one?
Huh? Has it disappeared? Where is it?
Dad, it's behind you. It's stuck behind you.
What? Where is it?
I said it's stuck behind you.
Help me to get it off, please. So, what color is it?
It's blue inside.
Blue and pink.
And I lost my headband, but that's okay. Now we know all the colors.
It's blue and pink. Red and green. Pink and green. Purple and yellow. Red and yellow. And blue and purple.
That's a lot of colors. What's your favorite color?
That's my favorite too.
Yeah, I like it too. And that's all for now. See you in the next episode.
Bye.